Welcome to button making with the Creation Station. Gather the needed supplies for making your button. You will need the button maker, the circle cutter, your images printed out, a button front, clear mylar, and button back. Cut your paper into strips so that they can fit into the circle cutter. Slide your image strip into the circle cutter and center your image. Press down on the red lever, but watch out for your fingers. After cutting, reach under and push up on the metal cylinder to remove your image from the cutter. The button maker has two sides that rotate. There is a shallow side and a deep side. You will start with the shallow side. Place your button front in the shallow side, smooth side up. Now grab your image cut out and place it on top of the button front. Finally, place the clear mylar piece on top. Now we are ready to rotate the base. Turn the base completely until it stops. Grab the red lever and pull all the way down. Now, lift the lever back up. Your button front is hidden inside the machine. Now, in the deep side, place the button back with the pin hinge on the left side and the wire horizontal. This will make sure that the pin will be right side up when it's done. Pull down on the lever all the way, then lift the lever up. Rotate the base and remove your completed button. Thanks for using the Creation Station at Lake County Public Library. Bye for now.